Hi friends, welcome back to the channel, Doctor on Travel. This time we're going to take a fascinating cross-border journey from Puno in Peru to Lapaz, the high-altitude capital of Bolivia. There are two possible border crossings, Kasani and Desaguadero. We chose the more scenic and relaxed route, crossing at Kasani. It's a small, peaceful border town near Copacabana, Bolivia. The process was smooth. Exit Peru, walk about 100 meters, enter Bolivia. Very simple, friendly officers, and not too crowded. We have to present the passport, visa application, bank statement for 6 months, hotel confirmation, and of course the visa fees. The bus will not wait for us if it is a public transport. We have to take a taxi to Copacabana, just 12 kilometers. From Copacabana, another bus to Lapaz via the Strait of Tequina to get to Lapaz. Our bus has to cross this narrow strait from San Pedro de Tequina to San Pablo de Tequina. Passengers get off and take a small motorboat across the strait, but the bus goes separately, floating on a wooden platform or barge. It's a bit surreal watching your massive bus wobble across the water while you float nearby in a tiny boat. But don't worry, it's normal here and part of the journey. After the crossing, it's a few more hours through scenic Andean landscapes before reaching the bustling city of La Paz, the world's highest capital. Thank you for watching the channel. Don't forget to comment, like or unlike, share and subscribe the channel Doctor on Travel. See you again. Bye.